Let's get you details of the heat on a Karnataka Mantri B. Nagendra over the suicide case of a 50-year-old government employee. It's led to the Siddaramaiah government facing massive political pressure, leading to also Nagendra offering to resign. That's been confirmed also by the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. Now remember that Nagendra's name was mentioned in the suicide note of a 50-year-old government employee who said that senior officials had actually forced him into an alleged 187 crore fund misappropriation. Now, according to the suicide note, this government employee has alleged that the minister actually forced him, and not just the minister Nagendra, but another senior officer also went ahead and forced him to open a sweep in and a sweep out account, and that allowed customers to transfer funds between savings and current accounts. We saw a massive protest also taking place in Karnataka, in Bengaluru today, as the BJP workers gathered in large numbers demanding action against Nagendra, demanding that he immediately step down from his post. It's led to political pressure as well. Let's get you some of those reactions.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಈಗ ಕಾಲ್ನಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ
ಈಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮಾತಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನ.
You are continuously protesting against him and demanding his resignation. And the government is also, we got the feelers that CM has instructed him to tender his resignation. How do you see this entire development?
So the people of Karnataka are witnessing the arrogance of the state government. See, Chandrasekhar has committed suicide a couple of weeks back. Till today, Chief Minister has he has not taken the resignation of Minister Nagendra. So BJP today, we are meeting Governor. We are urging Governor that, the resignation of the minister has to be taken immediately. CBI, since CBI has already registered an FIR based on the letter given by Union Bank of India, the state government, without any further delay, they have to hand over this investigation to CBI. One thing, let me tell you one thing. Since hundreds of crores of loot is involved, that too during Lok Sabha elections, I don't think the buck stops only to Nagendra. Because when hundreds of crores has been transferred from Bangalore, from Karnataka to some other neighboring states, I don't think without clearance from the finance department, nobody would have transferred money.
BJP's Karnataka unit are taking out a protest march from Vidhan Soudha to Raj Bhavan, where they will be submitting a memorandum to Governor demanding the resignation of ST Welfare Minister B. Nagendra. And according to a suicide note left by one of the employees of Valmiki Welfare Department, has alleged that there was irregularities and he was forced to transfer around 97 crores. And thereafter, a FIR was being registered and a case is also being registered with CBI by Union Bank of India. Now we can see that BJP is carrying out a protest demanding that the minister have to resign as soon as possible, and they will continue to protest until they get justice. We also learned from our sources that the chief minister has already spoken to the minister and he has requested him to go ahead and tender his resignation so that they don't give any kind of room for BJP to protest against the government.